We welcome Dr. Elina Mansha. Dr. Elina is a senior researcher in tropical fruits at the National Research and Innovation Agency, BRIN. She is an esteemed expert in mangosteen research, specifically regarding genetic variability and the control of Gamboge disorder. She also coordinates conservation projects for wild Garcinia and Nephilium species. So today she'll be sharing her insights on the status of mangosteen production, cultivation, and market expansion in Indonesia. So Dr. Elina, over to you. Thank you.
We start this is the highlight of my presentation, introduction about the statistic of mangosteen, the mangosteen cultivation, research and development, and the government programs on developing mangosteen. Let's start with introduction. Mangosteen production, according to FAO 29 to 2022, Indonesia and Thailand as the top production countries, followed by Malaysia, Filipina, Cambodia, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and India. Indonesia showed significant increase from 2019 to 2022 from 100,000 hectare to 2,100 hectare. This picture talking about the position of mangosteen among other fruits in Indonesia. We can see that the mangosteen from 2018 to 2023 has the lowest production, while the highest is in banana. This is the mangosteen production area. Java is the most production area, main production area, with the harvest area about 50% from all of the mangosteen production in Indonesia. Following by Bali, Banten, and other areas. Mangosteen grows in all of Indonesian island, but is the main production only on Java, and the other production in the other island of Indonesia. Within the last 16 years, from 2008 to 2023, harvest area production increased significantly, about 330% and about 500 respectively. The fluctuation of mangosteen production is may be caused by alternate bearing, pest and disease, and climate condition. We can see that the alternate bearing occur within 2 years. Every 2 years, we can show that the production is decreased and then increase respectively. Now we are talking about the market. China and Hong Kong consistent as the highest destination of Indonesian mangosteen with percentage of 45% and 45% and 42 in 27 to 2020 and increased 68% in 2021 to 2024. Export volume increased about 178% from 8,000 from 25 to 2023. Percentage of export volume from the total production is still low, from 13 to 21%. Fluctuation and can caused by several factors, including consumer demand, the price, political issue, and increasing of domestic consumption. The domestic consumption, usually for fresh consumption and for the bioindustry product, such as juice, capsule, and etc. You can see that the Garcia is the most famous product from Indonesia for bioindustry. The other product was sold by online shopping, and the traditional market were also increased until now. The strength, challenge, and risk on mangosteen cultivation, including increasing production volume and expanded cultivation area, diverse and growing export market to China, Southeast Asia, and Middle East, Europe, improve supply chain, packaging, cold chain, and logistic enable to quality export, rising farmer income and rural economic impact, and growing value-added potential for processed product. While the challenges is the slow growth of the mangosteen and low productivity per tree, relatively caused by low input. The problem in collecting and shipping food production centers are scattered among the island without international airport. In some regions, post-harvest losses, adoption of best practices not uniform. Production constraint due to the tree age or density, need for replanting, cultivation improvement. Consistent with overseas regulation, phytosanitary and traceability and quality. The mangosteen cultivation in Indonesia can divide into the 3 types. Mixed farming, about 60 to 70%. This is the example of mixed farming area cultivation in West Sumatra, the mangosteen planting with areca. This one is intercropping types. The intercropping types is depend on the elevation. In this picture, the mangosteen intercropping with tea at the high elevation, the highest elevation, and cold climates in West Java, about 700 meters above sea level. This is the monoculture plantation, usually owned by the companies or large farmers. This is the oak trees in Lingsar, West Nusa Tenggara lowlands, and this is the example of mangosteen orchard in the Tembilahan, Province Riau. We can see that the mangosteen also adaptive to the swampy area, Riau Province, about 60 meters above sea levels. mangosteen harvest season in Indonesia. This picture showed that the national season occur from November to March every year, and the peak season on January to February, and the off season from June to August or June to July. Now we go to the pest and disease and physiological disorder. The mangosteen have several pest and disease, including gambox disorder inside the fruits or in endocarp, gambox disorder in exocarp, translucent flesh disorder or TFD, fruit cracking, sunburn, mealybugs, skin car, ants, and root rot. We go to the some information about research and development on mangosteen. The first one about the variety. We know that mangosteen is apomictic plant. It means that propagation asocially by seed and high in uniformity. But the research showed that the mangosteen have variability in morphology and genetic. The morphological variation found in a canopy, number of fruits per cluster, number of fruit segment, stigma lobe shape, stigma lobe size, petal color, and fruit pointed. There are two varieties that we have released. The first one is Ratu Kamang variety with the characteristic long fruit stalk or round stigma lobe, water content about 80 to 84, low in gambox disorder, less than 8%, and edible portion about 32%. And the second one is the Ratu Tambilahan variety with the characteristic of short fruit stalk, elliptic in stigma lobe, more fruit segment 4 to 11, lower water content about 78 to 82%, and edible portion about 27%, and free from gambox disorder. This is the 1 hour activity to send the variety, to introduce the variety to a farmer. We are propagating of Ratu Kamang variety by farmers group in the Kamang area in West Sumatra. The first step is registration of mother tree. This activity is collaboration with seed certification services of the West Sumatra province. After that, we give the training for propagation to the farmer group and building the community nursery. The next research is about the impact of ENSO on mangosteen production dynamics. generally, the La Nina reduce the production of mangosteen, and the El Nino phase is increase the mangosteen production. The highest decrease of production is in Kalimantan, and the lowest in the Sulawesi. You can see that the variation or effect of La Nina and El Nina in mangosteen production in Indonesia. The next research is about the rainfall fluctuation effect fluctuation and fruiting season and the relationship with Gamboge disorder. This picture, this graphic is talking about fluctuation of rainfall, and rainfall is the blue one, and the number of rainy days monthly during flowering and fruiting, or during fruit development time. We can see that the Gamboge disorder, the lowest Gamboge disorders at 6 location, the lowest in the Batu Balang area, 80 meters above, 50 meters above sea levels. We can see that the fluctuation of rainfall and the rainy of day, the number of rainy of days is low fluctuation, then is related with the law of Gamboge disorder on mangosteen. The yellow
Dr.
one,
Elina, you have 2 more minutes to wrap up.
Okay, yeah. The yellow one is the Gamboge disorder within 6 decades, and the highest one in the Tanjung Aur with high fluctuation of rainfall and rainy season. The pest control is for scar in skin car in fruits caused by thrips, 2 kind of thrips. The best control is by combination of sanitation and yellow sticky trap, can reduce the scar from 100% to about 10%. Yes, this is the government intervention in production and distribution the mangosteen seedling for mangosteen expansion. And then the standard national Indonesia or SNI for mangosteen noted the quality of the mangosteen is in uniform fruit skin color, green petals, and clean fruit skin with the 3 standards of fruit size. The mangosteen for export is with the harvest index 1, 2, 3, according to the SNI. This is the registration of mangosteen orchard for export prerequisite, and registered orchard must have implemented standard operational procedure and GAP. The next one is issued phytosanitary certificate from quarantine. I think Deda, thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Dr. Elina. I just have a question regarding export compliance. So you mentioned using air blowing to remove ants and sticky traps for thrips. So for strict markets like Australia that require zero live pests. Is this mechanical air blowing sufficient, or is it usually combined with other treatments like fumigation or irradiation?
Yeah. As you know that packing house generally use the air blow to
Mm-hmm.
reduce the ants.
Mm-hmm.
The irradiation, I don't know about that. Maybe
I see.
some of the modern packing house do
Mm-hmm.
that.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Elina.